Hello guys, welcome back to another interesting video from Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you add an avatar into your Binance account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Binance application. Now after opening the Binance application, you just simply have to tap into this Binance icon into the top left corner, and after coming into this section you would like to tap into your current profile icon, and after that you will get to see this pencil icon right here. Tap into there, and after tapping in there you will get to see this little camera icon below your profile picture. Tap into that icon and then you can select profile pictures from your gallery. Just simply select the profile picture which you would like to set into your Binance. Then tap to confirm into the top right corner, and after doing this much, your profile picture will successfully be changed. This way you can also do it. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.